Hello friends, I am Shamira Naiga, a project manager from Pahappa Limited. I am thrilled to introduce to you our monitoring and evaluation tool, that is M&E. M&E, it's a systematic approach that organizations use to collect data, assess progress and monitor performance based on set indicators, targets and indicators. Monitoring focuses on collecting data, while evaluation focuses on sustainability, relevance, effectiveness of programs and projects. Our M&E tool is the software solution designed to facilitate these processes. I'm going to take you through the key features of our M&E tool. These include user management. This is where you set up accounts for users that are going to use your system. You can deactivate these accounts at any point in time and revoke access of these accounts to your system. You can as well set up roles and permissions whereby users are able to view different sections of their system, which helps you to protect your sensitive data so that not everyone can access it. The second module is data collection. This is where we set up tools or forms that you're going to use to collect data in your project. So what happens is you set up these tools, you go out in the field, you collect the data. There's a feature called GPS tracking whereby wherever you use these tools, it keeps track of the location where these tools are used so that you can easily make decisions about the data collected. Then there's our third module, which is work planning. This is where you set up a plan and you break it down into activities or tasks or sub-activities. And by doing this, you're making it easier for someone to understand the project. You're making it easier for someone to know that, okay, there's this specific activity, this is what it's about, this is the person responsible for it, and this is what you're trying to achieve. There's as well, you set up performance indicators. They help you know that, okay, I have achieved my goal or I have not yet achieved my goal. There is also indicator performance tracking table, IAPPT. This helps you to visualize your data collection better. Then another module is data analysis. Here we use customizable dashboards and reports to bring out analysis of the data that was collected. So these dashboards, you're able to view data graphically, and you can as well create custom reports on whatever feature or item you would wish to. There is also results framework and strategic planning. Results framework, it lists down all the activities and maps them to the results. And strategic planning, you have this whole big plan, and these activities are just a journey or a path to achieving this big plan or objective. So that is our M&E in summary. You might be wondering, what's the relevance of these modules to your business or organization? Well, for example, user management. Since there are roles and permissions, you restrict access to your system, so not every person can access specific sections in your system. You give them access according to what you want them to see or access. Then there's minimalized data breaches. so you're able to protect your sensitive data. Then work planning. Since work planning involves breaking down these projects into activities, sub-activities and tasks, you're able to get a clearer view or understanding of your project and what it contributes to the main objective that you set. And you're able to set up these indicators which make you realize that yes, maybe I have achieved my objective or I haven't. So they help you make decisions. Then data collection. Some organizations have a lot of data to collect and it actually gets hard. You can make errors when you have a lot of data to collect. It makes it, the whole process is kind of complex if you don't have a tool to help you collect this data. So in order to minimize errors, get accurate data and make timely decisions, you need this data collection tool. Then for data analysis, data is displayed visually in terms of dashboards that can be even customized. So you're able to keep informed, and this data is updated in real time. So you're informed with accurate data at all times. And you can as well be able to customize the reports according to what you want to see, which I think is a bonus for that module of feature. Then there is strategic planning and results framework. It helps you get to know your projects better because you align your projects and the project activities and their results. So it helps you to have a bigger picture of what's going on. And the strategic plan, it helps you know that, okay, this plan, this is the plan, and these are other activities that I'm supposed to carry out to achieve this plan. So you work towards a specific goal. It helps you keep you informed and on the right path. At Pahappa Limited, we are committed to providing comprehensive support to ensure that there is successful implementation and ongoing use of our M&E tool. Our support structure includes we provide training sessions. We ensure these training sessions are extensive to ensure that each user gets to learn how to use the system effectively. Then there is technical support. We are always there to answer any questions about the system, and we help you transition into using our M&E tool. Then there is continuous updates to ensure that we enhance the tool's features and functionality, meaning we keep it up to date. So with the latest advancements in M&E practices, so you don't need to pay for another system. We continuously update the M&E tool. Our development process has 5 phases, which include planning, whereby we kickstart the project with a meeting and we go on to collect requirements for the system, try to understand your business flow and processes. Then we document the user stories or requirements and we create a schedule for the project. Then we move on to the development phase where we create wireframes and mockups, and then to the actual coding process where we start coding the system, and then we move on to testing. Testing, after the system has been developed, we test to see if it's actually working the way it's supposed to work. Then after confirming that everything is okay, then we move on to training end users. When everyone is comfortable with the system, we launch or deploy the system to production and users start using the system. Then we go into the support phase and maintenance, whereby we provide free support for 6 months. Yes, we work on any inquiries, questions, fix any bugs or errors for free in 6 months. Then after that, we sign a support contract in case one is needed. Then throughout this whole process, we go back and forth with you so that we get to really understand the system and the business process. To get started with our M&E tool, kindly visit us at our offices located at Plot 163, Mutesatu Road, Ntinda, or you can visit our website at www.pahappa.com, or you can send us an email at info@pahappa.com. If you want to call, you can call on 0788 200 916 or 0707 811 116. You can as well visit us on our social media platforms at Pahappa Limited. Thank you.